contributors to attend this event. It gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all to the session. The event is designed to introduce you all to what the essence of Google Developer Student Club feel like. As Ralph Johnson has remarked, before software can be usable, it first has to be usable. Well, must say, a great statement. This is exactly how the society is structured in an elegant manner to demonstrate the fact that before you can reuse your knowledge into grabbing opportunities, you need to first make it usable. GDSC is a dynamic, peer-to-peer learning community associated with a well-established environment that mixes all areas of intellect from being a developer to a researcher. The motto is Connect, meet students interested in developer technologies at our university. Learn about a range of technical topics and gain new skills through hands-on workshops, events, talks, and project building activities, both online and in person, and grow. Apply new learnings to build great solutions for local problems. Let's now move forward and know more about various departments associated with our GDSC. And firstly, we would like to introduce you all with our President, Syed Mohammad Furqan.
Okay. So, hello everyone. How are you? नहीं बताएंगे चलो ठीक है. So let's start. So mainly what is Google Developer? Mainly Google Developer Student Club is a society for students who are interested in Google technologies. There are more than 500 Google Developer Club in all over the world. Mainly we hire students from all the undergraduate programs who are interested in growing as a developer. And by joining a GDSC, students grow their knowledge to peer-to-peer learning environment and build solutions for local businesses and their community. And if we talk about GDSC ADGITM, Google Developer Student Club of Dr. Akhilesh Dasgupta Institute of Technology and Management, powered by Google Developer, is a learning community that aims to inspire intelligent mind in the field of technology. It is open to any student ranging from amateur developer who is just starting their development to advanced developer as expert. We at GDC ADGITM believe in building a strong community where people can learn and grow together and then guide their juniors also. So welcome everyone to the info session. Mainly in this session we introduce we give you every question, every answer you are. And if we talk about our team, we have a different department. There are web development department, there are app development department, AI ML development, information security development, and cloud technology development. And we are not only focused on tech department, we have some non-tech department also. For example, content department, graphic designing and video editing department, and marketing department, the most important department, management department. So I would like to welcome Mr. Guneet, who is the head of web development. Guneet, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you able to hear me?
Hello. Yeah. Good evening, Guneet.
Everyone. Okay. So if I have to explain it in a very layman terms, I would say making websites. By the way, it's much more complex. Managing servers, scalability. Obviously, we remember Hotstar scaling up to 2.4 people. That's a very bit difficult. So in a layman terms, we can just say it's making websites. And obviously, we have learned HTML and CSS in our 9th or 10th standard. So we are having a little knowledge about it. But where do you actually apply it over here in college? So what can you do using this web development? So the first thing is open source contribution you can do. Nowadays, students are much more into open source contribution. But just to tell those who are not knowing anything about, there are many open source software which we are using in our everyday life. It can be from VLC Media to VS Code, which I everyday use, or your Firefox. There are many open source open source groups like that. So uh, and the code is available openly. So if you want to like add a feature to them, or if you want to update their documentation, or just a small feature if you want to add, you can go to your go to their code base and ask them, hey, I want to apply, I want to make a code change. So it is like the code is free for all of the people to use and change and add things to it. So that is the like most awesome thing which I love to do. And another thing which I surely love to do with web dev is hackathons. First of all, I would like to know how many of you have ever been in a hackathon. And if you have not ever been into a hackathon, you can just comment it down. Maybe you can find your team over there. Okay. So the inbox, maybe if it is open for everyone. Okay. So how, like for those who are not knowing anything about hackathons, hackathons are basically some you can say all the developers are united, or usually on a Saturdays or Sundays, and within a short span of time they have to make something very awesome or like something very usable, like which everyone can use. They can improve a small thing. They can like improve even a small thing and like earn a huge amount, or like get some people to know them. So hackathons are the best way to apply your knowledge and make something creative and something awesome. Okay. So and definitely in your first year or second year, you must should go in one or the other hackathon. Next thing which we can help, projects which you are gonna build. It can be from the basically everyone starts their project by cloning any website or doing something like related to cloning, but there are a whole lot of things which we can help with. You can also have a look at over here. And that's it for web dev. If you have any like questions, you can shoot up over here, or that's my number. If you want to contact me on my WhatsApp, or you can give me a call. That's it from my side.
Okay, we take question at the end of the session.
Okay,
is it okay? Yeah, great. So now I would like to introduce Muhammad Mubin, who is the head of Mubin, and Viraj, who is the head of app development, application development. Mubin.
Hello guys, I'm audible guys?
Yeah.
Hi, this is Viraj, and native Android app development lead here. So I'll just share my screen. So yeah, there are actually people. I'm going to be the mobile and development, the Google Developer Students Club 2022 to 2023. So a brief introduction about myself. I am very fond of native Android app development. And what is native Android app development? Basically, first of all, we are all familiar with how mobile applications are very useful to us nowadays, where every work of ours, even from a slightest note taking app to a complex banking app, every important task is on our mobile. So here in Google Developer Student Clubs, I would like to lead the Android development team, where we would be able to teach you how this application development in Android works through Kotlin Studio. We might not dive into the details right now, because when you join us in our projects, you'll definitely get about us a little better. But here in native Android development, we mainly work on Android Studio and Kotlin. So
Your screen is not visible actually. It's not visible.
It's not visible. I think I am sharing my screen.
But I am not able to see.
Are the other people able to see the screen?
Can you share again?
Alright. So that's all. That's right. I about Flutter application. Moving.
Let me brief once again. Can you point to the screen presentation? Average, can you
Screen is visible,
actually?
isn't it?
You are lagging. You are lagging too much. Your voice, and maybe you have some. Let me share my screen. Okay.
Alright, you did my, I think, connection issues.
Okay. Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Okay. So first of all, we are going to talk about the mobile application development and how it is different from web development. Like as we know that mobile application is mobile client is largest in the world. So we need about our team. We had a Viraj Thakur, who is an Android native developer, and this is me, Mohammed Mobin, Flutter developer. Ashish, which is not here, who is not here actually. Ashish, Android native developer, is also. So we are going to talk about upcoming events in Android. Who are go- so first of all, we are going to learn about Jetpack Compose. Then we have an event of Android Study Jam, and then last Flutter Festival, and many more. Uh, by participating in this event, you can win exciting goodies. Like first, before last year, Google revealed what kind of goodies, you- uh, what kind of goodies will be provided to students. But right now, they didn't reveal. It's a surprise right now. So yes, you can connect me here on Discord. Can you connect on, and you can also connect on Viruj on Discord. Okay, that's it from your side.
Okay, great, Mubin and Virus. Thanks so much. Next, Anuj. Hello. So Anuj is the information security lead of GDSC DGITM. Anuj, are you there?
Yeah,
Yeah. Thank you. Can you please show yours?
yeah, sure, sure. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, visible.
Okay. There are only two types of companies, those that have been hacked and those that will be. Good evening, everyone. This side Anuj Maheshwari, GDSC Cybersecurity Lead. Today I am here to introduce you all our most vulnerable and progressing domain, information security, commonly known as cybersecurity. Before briefing about this particular domain, let me introduce myself. I am an Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Certified Security Associate with Ethical Hacking Essentials, Network Defense Essentials, and Digital Forensics Essential from EC Council. I've also qualified Network Security Associate Expert Level 1 and 2. I have been ranked among the top 1% on TryHackMe, which is the world's largest hands-on cybersecurity training platform, which has a user base of more than 1 million all across the globe. I have been named as God by the THM community, ranking 3234 on level 13 with 115 plus rooms completed, securing the monthly Hall of Fame with 19 reputable badges. Apart from this, I have been ranked as Script Kiddle on Hack the Box that provides penetration testing skills and expertise to find vulnerabilities on live websites. That's more than enough about me. Coming to the perks of joining the Elite Hacker domain, what we will actually be doing. Number 1, learning. Learning being the most important part to build a career into cybersecurity. Here we will be focusing on various concepts like Linux, networking, programming, web servers, and protocols like TCP, UDP, FTP, and solving machines like Metasploitable, Stapler, etc. Number 2, solving labs. To get hands-on experience with platforms like TryHackMe, Hack the Box, Penetester Labs, etc., and gaining practical understanding and implementations of the real-world scenarios. Number 3, participating and conquering CTS, capture the flag, and hosting such wide domain events to get wider exposure to this particular field apart from your monotonous academics. Number 3, building some extraordinary and mark setter projects with live testing tools for enumeration and scanning networks. It will gain two major benefits. Number one, apart from providing solutions to present problem statements, you will also end up building some industrial and live projects that will provide a huge weightage to your resume. And number two, the pay scales for web developers and cybersecurity developers has much differences with other respective domains. The basic and average scale for cybersecurity develop started from 10 to 15 LPA, and I guess most of them are here for gaining large placement skills. Now, the most important part comes: what are our requirements for you to be here in this domain? First comes your curiousness to find and secure vulnerabilities and flaws in existing platforms. Number two, must have a basic understanding of any one programming language, because without it, nothing is possible to do. Number third, genuine and quick approach to solve and tackle problems that will help you develop solution based mindsets without getting exhausted with the incoming problems. Number four, your eagerness to learn new things is the mandatory requirement that can make you do what you want, because without it, there is a definite dead cell. So, guys, cybersecurity is a shared responsibility. The more systems we secure, the more secure we all are. Buckle up, research, and explore to be a member of this elite cyber domain that will make you help all other domains. Choice is yours. Once made, it is hard to change. Thank you so much. Over to you, Fakran.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, now I would like to introduce our AIML department. Nakeeb, sorry, Nakeeb is not there. So mostly of you know Nakeeb very well. Nakeeb is the Nakeeb is head of AIML department. So I would like to start from AI is highly likely to destroy humans. Elon Musk. कुछ दिनों पहले एलन मस्क ने कहा था आप सबसे कि AI को तो समथिंग अट्रैक्शन हुई होगी यार, हाँ कोई बढ़िया चीज है ये, ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो दुनिया को तबाह कर देगी। एवेंजर्स हमने देखे हो, मन सबका करता होगा यार हम भी कभी कुछ ऐसा बना दें, हम भी कभी कुछ आयरन मैन जैसा बना दें यार। तो AI is something advantageous. So what is AI? Artificial intelligence is generally referred to process an algorithm that able to simulate human intelligence, including mimicking cognitive functions such as perception learning and problem solving. Machine learning and the deep learning are subset of AI. There बहुत से students को ये लगता है that data science is different, machine learning is different, AI is different. No, machine learning and data science are the subset of artificial intelligence. So what is ML? In a nutshell, machine learning is a subset of AI that falls in the limited memory category in which AI is able to learn and develop over time. There are a variety of different machine learning algorithms with three types of being supervised, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. So there are many applications: image recognition, automatic language translation, medical diagnosis. This is a vast sector, medical diagnosis, where ML is used nowadays, and the fraud detection, virtual assistance, self-driving car, Tesla, product recommendation, email spam and malware filtering, speech recognition, and many more. So this is the machine learning department, and we सिर्फ हमारे यहाँ technical department नहीं है, we have non-technical department also, because if we talk about marketing, so marketing studies give you a unique competitive advantage. You can learn how to promote yourself and your work, and this is the most important part of the IT sector. So now I would like to call Ridhima, who is PR lead. Ridhima, you are sorry, Ridhima is not there. Muskan, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah, so Muskan is our outreach lead. marketing and outreach lead. So, Muskan, can you please show your PPT and introduce yourself?
A very good evening, everyone. I hope my screen is visible and I'm audible. So, is it visible? All right.
Yeah.
So, I would like you all to introduce to the outreach department at GDSC. Before starting, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Muskan Mishra. I'm currently the outreach lead at GDSC for the session 2022 to 2023. So basically, just like any other department, outreach department is the most important department as it is the backbone of any club, be it GDSC or any other society, as we are the ones who will be managing all the other departments in the society. We are like the backbone. We provide the necessary leadership to our team, like we contact the sponsors, we communicate with other communities and organizations and societies to collaborate with us, and we handle most of the management related work. So that's a lot of work and again a lot of learning. Apart from that, thing which you should ask is why should you join us? So being part of this team will help you to polish your management and leadership skills. You will be the one who will be organizing and handling everything from the start, like how to organize an event, how to manage that, how to contact the sponsors and speakers. It will be us who will be handling all these things. Being a part of outreach department will also give you an edge to help yourself grow professionally as well as personally. You will get the chance to come forward and learn all the necessary skills you need to manage a team. So I guess apart from tech domains, you should get the chance to explore yourself in non-tech domains also, so that you can know in which part you are good, and definitely you should join the outreach department. So if you have any questions regarding what we do and what we are going to do or how it is done, so you can ask me, and looking forward to see you on the team.
Thank you, Muskan. Thank you so much. So, Ridhima?
Hello everyone, my name. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Hello everyone, my name is Ridhima Garg and I'm the operational and the PR head at the GDSC. So what do we do basically? We are the building of a society. It isn't easy until and unless a supportive team with creative mind stands behind. We are a supportive team which is basically the back end of the GDSC, which handles everything related to managing along with the outreach department and handling the everything. So what is an operational lead and the PR? We are responsible for the leading output, PR strategies and plans that promote key initiatives and promote the business product's image and reputation. So what do? We are responsible for handling events, logistic management, hospitality and all about the management related work. We make up the highest levels of management within a company or business, and each specializes in a different area of managing business. Reaching out to college administrative and different companies for collaboration is really a key. So, what do you need to be the part of this company? You should actually be having a clear, effective communication skill. You should be great at organizing events and managing things. You should be open to problem solving and decision making. So, looking forward to be with a part of. Thank you.
So thank you so much. And if we talk about graphic designing, so mainly software engineers who are mainly concerned about how to build an app, website, and many more things. Properly develop its feature can greatly benefit from working side by side with a graphic designer, as they can better understand what the end user can find. So I would like to call Aditi, who is graphic designing and video editing lead. Aditi.
Hello everyone, am I audible?
Hello. Yeah, you are.
So I'm Aditi, the graphics and video editing lead of GDSC, and I'm going to give you a brief about the department. So let's start with graphics. So what is graphic designing? It is a craft where professionals create visual content to communicate messages. We use pictures and elements in a color coordinated way to present any event. It has scopes in many fields like web development, app development, game development, etc. And nowadays, tech companies are especially hiring UI UX designers. Here in GDSC, we will learn and work together. We will be creating posters, Instagram stories, posts, certificates, etc. for our events. You can even participate in hackathons and design the interface for your team. There are many websites and softwares for this, like Canva, Figma, or you can use Photoshop as well. Canva is the easiest platform for a beginner to start making templates. They have like many ready-made templates. So what you can do is take inspiration from there and start making your own if you're a beginner. Now, secondly, we have video editing. Video editing is the manipulation and arrangement of video shots to create new work. It is important because it is the key to blending images and sounds to make us feel more connected to the topic. In this digital era, it is widely used in making YouTube videos, films, advertisements, etc. Here we use it to make Instagram posts for introducing or advertising our events. And some of the platforms for video editing are Premiere Pro, After Effects, Camtasia, etc. So that was it from my side. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks so much, Aditi. Yeah, so our next department is content department, and if you talk about content or documentation, it helps in keeping the track of all aspects of application, and also improve on the quality of sort of software product. And the lead of content department is Yukti Sethi. So Yukti, can you please introduce yourself?
Yes. Is the screen visible?
Yeah.
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. A warm welcome to all present. Thank you all for joining. And if you're having one of those days where you're feeling a little sluggish, then open your eyes because I am going to give you all a dose of what the content department does and what it is all about. So let me start by saying a few words about my own background. I am Yukti Sethi. I am in the CSC department 3rd year and I'm serving the society as a content lead. Talking about my interest in writing, I just started writing casually one day and then slowly I developed my interest in the same. I remember keeping a diary and adding an entry that described the happenings of the day. So this hobby drove me to take up some work and I've done 3 internships in content writing and I'm slowly acquiring proficiency in the same. Thus, I would expect the same kind of growth from our team here in writing with respect to technical subjects as well. So moving on, why choose content? So even if what you have to do is to write a professional email or compose a research document, you will be surprised at how much more convincing and professional you will sound if you know what your own voice actually sounds like. Because as an engineer, you need to know how to bring down all the technical aspects into a very logical and simple manner. Whether you are giving a placement interview or a presentation in front of a client, it would really boost your confidence. So, moving on, all of these things, documents and manuals, reports, analysis studies, proposals for projects, data sheets, emails, presentations, these are very crucial elements while you work in an organization. And all of this is actually going to push you to research on various topics and get to know more about new things as well. And most importantly, you can host your skills and take full credit by taking your technical writings posted on the website as well. So for all those who have the passion to write and feel that your content deliverables can make an impact not only towards the growth of the society but also to your own, welcome to GDSC. That's it from my side.
Yeah, thank you so much, Yukti. So these are the departments of GDSC. And if we talk about our events, so we have many plans for this year. In September, in September we organize a Android development event, and then in December a cloud event, then Flutter, TensorFlow, and on at the end Chrome developer tool events. So in between, we organize many different events. So if we talk about the other member of GDSC, so जितने भी मेंबर हैं GDSC में, या जितनी भी कोर टीम है, या जितनी भी लीड्स हैं GDSC में, दे आर द बेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट ऑफ दिस कॉलेज. ठीक है. इन वेब डेवलपमेंट अगर गुनीत की बात करें, ही क्रैक इंटर्नशिप इन फर्स्ट ईयर. इसने पूरी फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट फर्स्ट ईयर में कर चुका था. ठीक है. मुबीन, विरोज, आशीष, दे आर द बेस्ट ऐप डेवलपर इन द कॉलेज. And if Ashish is not there, Ashish is also the president of Rupian. And next, AIML department, Nakeeb is the head of AIML department. Nakeeb cracked internship in best political firm, Algo Analytics, and he was a data scientist there. And next, we have one more department also, women and tech department. आजकल आप लोग ने सबने देखा होगा, बहुत सारी मीटअप्स हो रही हैं, कम्युनिटीज हो रही हैं, बहुत सारी कंपनीज जो सिर्फ वुमेन को हायर कर रही हैं. तो ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन जो सोसाइटी में प्रोवाइड करती हैं आद्या, अनफॉर्चुनेटली शी इज नॉट देयर. आद्या इज वुमेन एंड टेक लीड. डिफरेंट इवेंट्स, फॉर एग्जांपल एडोबे मोस्टली से वुमेन्स को हायर करती हैं. तो क्या प्रोसेस होता है, क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, आदे विल गाइड यू. एंड बहुत सारे ऐसे वुमेन इवेंट्स होते हैं एंड जो आपकी ग्रोथ के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, जस्ट लाइक लिंक्डइन कोचिंग प्रोग्राम एंड सम अदर प्रोग्राम आल्सो. तो वुमेन एंड टेक डिपार्टमेंट में आपको वो सब मिलेगा. ऐप डेवलपमेंट में जो कोर टीम मेंबर्स होंगे, अगर आपने फॉर्म भरा हो हायरिंग का, हमने डेट एक्सटेंड कर दी है 1 दिन और. अगर आपने अपने हिसाब से जो भी डेवलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट आपने चूज किया होगा, अगर आप वेब में हैं तो हम आपके वेब के ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स में आपको गाइड करेंगे जो सोसाइटी को हेल्प करें. सोसाइटी को हेल्प करें मतलब आपके, अगर आप दिल्ली की बात करें तो बहुत पॉल्यूशन हो रहा है, तो ऐसा कोई टेक्नोलॉजी आप बनाएं जिससे या तो इंफॉर्मेशन स्प्रेड हो सके या हम पॉल्यूशन को डिटेक्ट कर सकें. जैसे वेस्ट वाटर मैनेजमेंट में एक कॉलेज ने बनाया था और दे गॉट अ प्राइज फ्रॉम GDSC. उन्होंने वेस्ट वाटर मैनेजमेंट पूरी एक वेबसाइट बनाई थी, कहाँ कहाँ उन्होंने सैटेलाइट से डिटेक्ट किया था कहाँ कहाँ पानी की कमी है और कहाँ कहाँ पानी को वेस्ट किया जाता है. तो दीज आर दी प्रोजेक्ट जो सोसाइटी को हेल्प करेंगे या आपके आसपास के बिजनेसेस को हेल्प करेंगे, एनजीओ को हेल्प करेंगे. ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स हम बनाएंगे. वो वेब डेवलपमेंट के भी हो सकते हैं, ऐप डेवलपमेंट के भी हो सकते हैं, AIML के भी हो सकते हैं. और इन सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट होता है टेक डिपार्टमेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कंटेंट है तो हमें एक प्रॉपर कंटेंट चाहिए, एक ऐसा कंटेंट जिससे जो यूजर है वो अट्रैक्ट करें हमारी एप्लीकेशन के ऊपर. एंड ग्राफिक्स की बात करें, हमारे पास बेस्ट ग्राफिक्स होने चाहिए. और इन सारी चीजों को मैनेज करने के लिए हमारे पास मैनेजमेंट और मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट होना चाहिए. तो ये प्रोजेक्ट्स तो हम बिल्ड करेंगे साथ में साथ सोसाइटी के, और साथ में साथ हम और इवेंट्स कराएंगे जो आपको या आपके फेलो स्टूडेंट्स को हेल्प करें. हमारे और भी बहुत प्लान है, सिर्फ हमारी ये 5 मेन इवेंट है जो हम कराएंगे ही कराएंगे. एंड बहुत सारे इवेंट हैं, जस्ट लाइक वी विल आल्सो ऑर्गेनाइज अ डिबेट कंपटीशन ऑन द टॉपिक ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एट द एंड ऑफ सितंबर. और भी बहुत सारे इवेंट्स हैं, बूट कैंप्स वगैरह कराएंगे. एंड DSA पे कुछ क्वेश्चंस लेंगे, क्योंकि मोस्टली कंपनीज DSA से स्टार्ट करती हैं. पर सिर्फ DSA से आपकी प्लेसमेंट नहीं होगी और ना ही सिर्फ डेवलपमेंट से आपकी प्लेसमेंट होगी. आपको दोनों चीज आनी जरूरी है. तो हम आपको प्रॉपर टाइम से, और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जो मेरे साथ हुआ था, बोर हो जाते हैं यार, करते करते बोर हो गए, मन नहीं लग रहा, छोड़ दिया, आधे में छोड़ दिया. तो ये नहीं होने देंगे. हम आपको टाइम टू टाइम बताते रहेंगे कि कैसे आप करें, अपने टाइम को कैसे मैनेज करें, या आप कैसे अपनी स्किल्स को और ज्यादा बढ़ाएं कि आप बोर भी ना हो और आप साथ में साथ आपकी स्किल भी चलती रहे. और if we talk about other member of GDSC apart from leads, there are Viroj, Ayush, and if we talk about Ayush is a student जिसे सेकेंड ईयर के सारे बच्चे जानते हैं किस नाम से, इंटर्नशिप गुरु के नाम से. उस बंदे ने जितने लोगों को इंटर्नशिप दिलाई थी शायद ही उतनी प्लेसमेंट भी हुई है हमारे कॉलेज। उसने हर बच्चे की इंटर्नशिप कहीं ना कहीं आईयूट से इंटरकनेक्टेड थी। वो ऐसा बंदा था जो फर्स्ट ईयर से इंटर्नशिप स्टार्ट कर चुका था और अभी तक कम से कम वो 7 या 8 इंटर्नशिप कर चुका है डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ। ही वर्क विद Django, Python backend, and हमारे वंश हैं is a freelancer and is also a blockchain developer. Vansh, are you there? Yeah, Vansh, can you please introduce? Yeah, you are audible. Okay, Vansh, thank you so much. So these are the overview of GDSC ADGITM and कि GDSC के लीड या प्रेसिडेंट बनते कैसे। सो हर ईयर GDSC कॉलेज से लीड बनाती है कुछ एक स्टूडेंट को। इंटरव्यू होता है जून जुलाई में, उसका सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होता है एंड देन अगस्त सितंबर में अगर आप इंटरव्यू क्लियर करते हैं, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स एक कॉलेज से इंटरव्यू देते हैं, देन अगर आपका इंटरव्यू क्लियर होता है देन यू विल बिकम द GDSC लीड एंड यू सिलेक्ट सम ऑफ द लीड्स फॉर योर डिपार्टमेंट एंड देन आपका स्टार्ट होता है जहां आपको प्रोजेक्ट बिल्ड करने होते हैं, इवेंट्स कराने होते हैं, ठीक है, और एक सॉल्यूशन चैलेंज होता है गूगल का, उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करना होता है। सो हाँ, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई वी ज्वाइन GDSC। जब आप इवेंट करा ही रहे हैं कॉलेज में तो हम क्यों ज्वाइन करें? एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आपके साथ गूगल का नेम जुड़ेगा, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, एंड द नेम इज इनफ। मेनली आप गूगल डेवलपर सोसाइटी के कोर मेंबर होंगे, ठीक है। जो हमारे इंटरनल प्रोजेक्ट्स होंगे उसमें आपको हेल्प मिलेगी। हम एक्सटर्नल प्रोजेक्ट्स तो कराएंगे, इवेंट्स कराएंगे, प्रोजेक्ट्स कराएंगे, डिफरेंट टेक स्टैक पे इवेंट्स कराएंगे, लेकिन जो आपके कोर मेंबर होंगे, कोर मेंबर को प्लस बेनिफिट्स होंगे, ठीक है। और हमारी कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं कि आपको ये आना चाहिए, आपको वो वेब डेवलपमेंट में मास्टर होना चाहिए, ऐप में मास्टर होना चाहिए, नहीं। आप में इंथुजियाज्म होना चाहिए करने का, ठीक है। आपको पता होना चाहिए कि वो सोसाइटी करती क्या है, वो डिपार्टमेंट क्या करता है, वेब डेवलपमेंट है क्या। आपको इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए एंड द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट इंटरेस्ट। अगर आप में इंटरेस्ट या इंथुजियाज्म है, आप किसी भी चीज को कर सकते हैं, चाहे वो आपको कुछ भी नहीं आती हो, ठीक है। उसमें से आपको ABCD भी नहीं आता, अगर आपके अंदर इंथुजियाज्म है और आपको उस डिपार्टमेंट के बारे में पता है, आप उसके मास्टर बन सकते हो। हम लोग भी कल आप ही की जगह थे, जितने भी मेंबर बैठे हैं सब आपके जैसे थे। हमें भी कुछ नहीं पता था, पर हमें भी हमारे सीनियर्स ने गाइड करा, प्रोफेसर्स ने, कॉलेज ने हमें गाइड करा और हम यहाँ पर आए। सो नाउ वी स्टार्ट द Q&A सेशन। सब आप लोग सब जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हैं अपने नेम चैट बॉक्स में लिख दीजिए प्लीज। हेलो, जिसको भी क्वेश्चन पूछने हैं related to GDSC, core team member, department, सब अपने नेम एक बार चैट बॉक्स में लिख दो, then we will take your question. हेलो, कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है? सारी क्वेरी सॉल्व हो गई? Oh, how can we become a member of GDSC? So, there is a small, अगर आपने देखा होगा हमने एक हायरिंग फॉर्म निकाला है, आपको उस हायरिंग फॉर्म को भरना है और कुछ दिनों बाद आपका एक छोटा इंटरव्यू होगा जहां आपके इंथुजियाज्म को थोड़ा देखा जाएगा एंड देन फ्रॉम आफ्टर शॉर्टलिस्टिंग हम रिजल्ट निकालेंगे और जो स्टूडेंट सिलेक्ट होगा वो GDSC का कोर टीम मेंबर होगा। कैन वी अप्लाई इन मल्टीपल डिपार्टमेंट? या यू आर एब्सोल्युटली अप्लाई इन मल्टीपल डिपार्टमेंट। And then what are the procedure of hiring member? Yeah, basic interview for checking enthusiasm. Are you sure I am talking about the lead members? Yeah, if you are talking about lead members, based on your performance, जितने भी लीड्स हैं अभी वो अपनी परफॉर्मेंस में, उनकी प्रीवियस परफॉर्मेंस, बाकी सोसाइटीज में उनकी क्या परफॉर्मेंस रही है या उनकी टेक्निकल नॉलेज क्या थी, उनके बेस पर उन्हें लीड मेंबर बनाए गए थे। एंड इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट GDSC लीड, तो हर ईयर लीड होता है, हर ईयर लीड के फॉर्म निकालती है गूगल और वो फॉर्म भरने पड़ते हैं, देन इंटरव्यू होता है एंड देन इंटरव्यू के बाद वो GDSC लीड बनता है। एंड फॉर दिस ईयर आई एम योर GDSC लीड। aside from enthusiasm, is there any series requirement for joining? I'm interested for machine learning AI. My name is Sivansh. Yeah, Sivansh, if you are interested in machine learning, तो आपको थोड़ा बेसिक पता होना चाहिए कि हाँ मशीन लर्निंग है क्या, क्या करता है, क्या काम है. क्योंकि अगर आपका इंटरेस्ट है तो आपको पता होगा कि मशीन लर्निंग से होता क्या 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 चीजें बनी है, कौन कौन सी कंपनीज यूज करती हैं इन्हें, और द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट enthusiasm. Okay, when will shortlisting and interview begin? Yeah, 29 तक फॉर्म थे, हमने एक्सटेंड कर दिए हैं. वो कल रात 12 बजे तक फॉर्म ओपन रहेंगे. Then we start the interview process. Okay, when hiring start? Yeah, I think I answered this question. Form for the hiring. Okay. When will the interview be taken? Yeah, after 2 or 3 days. Do we only work on Google project or any other our own ideas? No. Any idea you want. Not only Google or not only Google technologies. ऐसी बहुत सारी टेक्नोलॉजी जो गूगल की नहीं है, हम सब पे वर्क करेंगे. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर वेब डेवलपमेंट है तो रिएक्ट इज नॉट फ्रॉम गूगल, लेकिन हम रिएक्ट पे भी काम करेंगे. रिएक्ट इज अ बेसिक फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ जावास्क्रिप्ट, तो हम उस पे भी काम करेंगे. बेनिफिट्स ऑफ GDSC, द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट योर skill building and community building, management building, and the most important that I feel is कि किसी भीड़ के सामने कैसे बोलना है and कैसे confidence gain करना है, कैसे किसी community में जाके अपनी पहचान बनानी है. And the one of the benefits is also of GDSC, the name Google is attached with your name, with your profile. Yeah, Aditya Vardhan, I'm interested in designing. Can any knowledge required before joining on any work or project? No, not as much, but a basic knowledge of designing. Yeah. Who assign you project? Google. Yeah, Google assign projects for every college, from every college. In the field of career, how GDSC help us? How GDSC help us? मैंने पहले भी आंसर दिया कि एक तो आपके ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स होंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल 2 तरह के प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं, स्टूडेंट 2 तरह के प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हैं. एक वो आप यूट्यूब पे गए, आपने एक ट्यूटोरियल खोला, आपने ट्यूटोरियल देख के एक प्रोजेक्ट बना दिया. लेकिन आपके साथ साथ लाखों बच्चे हैं जो वो प्रोजेक्ट्स बना रहे होंगे. पर GDSC में आपको ऐसे टॉपिक्स देती है गूगल, जहां आप उन टॉपिक पे प्रोजेक्ट्स तो बनाएंगे साथ में वो आपके प्रोजेक्ट सोसाइटी को हेल्प भी करेंगे. ठीक है, और आपके प्रोजेक्ट इंडस्ट्री में काम आ रहे होंगे. और बेस्ड ऑन योर प्रोजेक्ट GDSC आपको बहुत सारी गिफ्ट देगी, बहुत सारी रिकॉग्निशन देगी. दैट विल श्योरली बेनिफिट्स इन योर फ्यूचर करियर. I'm interested in artificial intelligence. Also made a model of spam and a not spam email. Okay, great. ग्रैड, जो भी तुम्हारा नाम है यार, आप बिल्कुल फॉर्म भरिए और वी होप कि आप और ज्यादा सीखेंगे GDSC में. एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? When was interview held? Interview held after 2 or 3 days from now. Yeah. Okay. So thank you so much. How would they assign project if they don't hire? If they don't hire, sorry, मैं समझा नहीं. Last question from my side: is there any limit to number of members you take? Yeah, there is a limit. We hire 4 to 5 members from each department. I'm too lazy, but yeah, lazy person is the best person. I'm also too lazy. All right, thank you. Can you reshare the link of becoming a member? Okay, I will reshare. How can they assign a project if they don't hire? I mean, they don't hire for our college. नहीं, hiring से अलग है. वो असाइन हर कॉलेज का, जैसे हर कॉलेज से GDSC मेंबर को गूगल डेवलपर हायर करती है ना. गूगल डेवलपर फॉर एग्जांपल तुम एक क्लास में हो, तुम्हारी क्लास टीचर एक किसी को CR बनाती है, क्लास रिप्रेजेंटेटिव बनाती है. वो पूरी क्लास को देखता है और क्लास के प्रोजेक्ट्स वगैरह को अपने टीचर्स तक पहुंचाता है. एंड दैट इज अ वर्क फॉर GDSC. आपके जो बेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स होंगे वो हम गूगल डेवलपर तक पहुंचाएंगे. एंड कुछ प्रोजेक्ट गूगल डेवलपर देती है कि आपको टॉपिक दे दिए जाते हैं और अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो आप उस टॉपिक पे बनाएं. देन एट द एंड ऑफ सॉल्यूशन चैलेंज गूगल जो बेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट होगा उसे गिफ्ट वगैरह देती है, उसे रिकॉग्नाइज करती है अपने वेबसाइट वगैरह पे. What all position are available? So in every department there are position vacant. Will there be any offline event in future? Yeah. Tipakshi Mahajan. Yeah. So offline अब हमारा सिर्फ एक ही मोटो है. ऑनेस्टली 1 साल से GDSC थोड़ी इनएक्टिव थी, लेकिन अगर हम आपको फ्यूचर का बताएं, हम जितने भी इवेंट हैं कॉलेज ओपन होने के बाद, जितने भी इवेंट हैं सबको ऑफलाइन कराने वाले हैं. ठीक है. एंड श्योरली आपको इतना मजा आएगा इन इवेंट्स में. हम कोई बोरिंग लेक्चर नहीं कराएंगे आपको, हम आपको बहुत मजेदार लेक्चर्स कराएंगे और बहुत से डिफरेंट हैकाथॉन भी कराएंगे. मैं आपको एक ग्लिम्स दे देता हूँ. हम एक मेमेथॉन भी कराएंगे जहाँ बेस्ट मीम जो होगा उसे हम प्राइज वगैरह देंगे. या when GDSC big event in every month we organize a big event. We also organize a hackathon for our college in the month of November-December in collaboration of Coach of ADGITM and RoboGyan. Okay, any other question? Which tech do you build app on, React Native or Flutter? Both, React Native or Flutter, both. We have both lead. We have React Native lead also and Flutter lead also. Yeah, any other? So I will show you some video here. Wait, I will show you video in introduction of GDSC ADGITM. Wait, I will share the screen. Is it visible? My screen is visible?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Sorry, I didn't recognize that video is not showing. आवाज आ रही है आप सबको? Okay.
Developer student clubs are university-based communities where students learn about Google technology and use their skills to solve local problems. There are over 700 clubs all over the world. From North America to Europe, Africa, and across Asia, we encourage more students to join or start a developer student club at their university.
Some students have overcome personal barriers with the help of their DSC community on their journey to become developers. These clubs help student developers learn through hands-on workshops. They then identify challenges faced by local businesses, NGOs, and sometimes even their own universities and build real solutions for real problems.
The workshops that we had was Firebase, Actions on Google, and we're about to do ML. It's an amazing experience to learn about the impact that the technologies can provide in our local communities.
DSC is a family, and it's not just about the programming, it's about the learning of teamwork and leadership.
A lot of villages face the problem of water, farming, floods. Maybe we can develop applications to solve this problem. Might be very ambitious for us as students to say that, but nothing is impossible. We can do it.
Developer student clubs around the world have already impacted so many students in their universities and people in their community. The future is bright for the next generation of students.
Yeah. So that's it. That's all about Google Developer Society, ADGITM. Any question? If anyone have already graduated long back, then the form will be accepted or not? Yeah, we think that for it, हम अभी कोई promise नहीं कर सकते आपको ऐसे. College participate in your upcoming event? Only your college participate in your upcoming event? No. Any college can participate. If they are online events, any college participate in these events. Any question? So that's all about GDSC, and all the best for the hiring and for your new year. Mainly, mostly students are from second and third year. So all the best for your new year, and work hard. मजे करो, थोड़ी सी पढ़ाई करो और कॉलेज लाइफ एंजॉय करो, एंड GDSC के इवेंट को अटेंड करो, गेन करो, and we only want that you learn something new from GDSC. Yeah, thank you so much. So now we end the meeting. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. Yeah, bye.